Basically, in this video I will demonstrate AdminLTE language issue like LTR, left to right, right to left. So in this project we already implemented language feature, multi-language. So here is, you can see. So currently it is in English language but once we convert translate into Arabic language, so Arabic language, you have to switch in right to left, RTL, and left to right. So in the login screen it is working absolutely fine. So screen no broken issue, and left to right switching, right to left switching working absolutely fine. But once we log in and the AdminLTE sidebar was not working properly, so how to fix this issue and showing in the for Arabic language AdminLTE sidebar in the left right side. So once we log in, so here is our business ERP dashboard solution. Currently it is in English language, but once we switch, so it is absolutely working for Arabic language. So in the code base, let me show you how we configure it and how it working. Go to the shared folder and AdminLTE. So we have customized the AdminLTE's CSS. So if it is RTL, right to left, then we are loading AdminLTE RTL. As default, you will get AdminLTE main.cs. We have customized AdminLTE RTL.cs. So for RTL option, we just loading this, and else it is load the default. So where you can find, you have to go to the AdminLTE dist and CSS. So we have created new CSS, just copying the default AdminLTE CSS RTLS. So if we sign out, so login screen working for Arabic language and English language as well. Once we log in again, so our dashboard is left side for English language, but if you wanted switching the language from English to Arabic, and then it must have to switch on the sidebar left to right. So it is perfectly switching left to right and showing our expected menu bar properly. So previously we had an issue and we fixed it, and if you want to use this feature for language English to Arabic, and this application is completely support the language feature we have implemented. It is dynamic. You currently this application just supported English and Arabic. If you want to add more, you just configure the other language in the resource file. So thank you, and if you want to get this project source code with the documentation, proper documentation, just to go to the Code Canyon, and here is our business ERP solution. If you purchase this application, also here is the live demo. You can browse the live demo as well. So we have arranged a demo version in the live server. So let me check the live server is working as expected. maybe this is my development PC. Just sorry, my internet issue. Unable to. Sorry, this is for a network issue. I just connect my network and let me open this in the incognito mode so that there. Yes, so live server is working here, and if we switch English to Arabic language in the hosted server, it is working as expected. So in this application we have successfully implemented the translation English to Arabic, and Arabic language major challenges was RTL support. So this application supported RTL with AdminLTE, and sidebar having issues, so we fixed it. So hopefully you enjoy this application, and if you wanted to interested and get the enter source code, just go to the Code Canyon and purchase it. And if you need further more support, we will definitely give you the enter support. Here is the our enter project code. So you have to just configure like default CSS and also the loading CSS properly for RTL. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.